Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry it's been so long since I last uploaded a video. It's been about a month, but welcome back, and welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you all here. For today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be an Amazon haul. I have never filmed one of these for my channel before. I know hauls are like my typical type of video, but not Amazon, not like something that's not fashion related. So I'm very excited to share all of these extremely random things that I've managed to pick up over the last few months. So if you are interested in seeing all of these pieces, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing, I actually saw this on TikTok and one of my cousins actually picked it up as well, and it is a USB candle lighter. Really random, but I have a lot of candles in my room and I always normally have the gas candle lighter and it always runs out, so I thought I would pick this one up. So this is what it looks like here. Just comes in this little box. Now it's actually kind of scary. It's like, I don't know how you would describe it. So basically it never runs out because you charge it like you would a phone. I'll show a clip of how it works after, but it makes a really scary noise. It literally has a lock on it here and you just flip it up to turn it on and it will come up with these blue lights to say it's fully charged, and then it makes this like electrical wave current. I don't know if you can hear that. It's really scary. I feel like it's really dangerous, but it's amazing. I haven't had to charge it yet and I've used it so much. I think I've had it maybe like a month and it's still fully charged because I just turn it off once I'm finished using it, so I feel like it's going to last ages. This saves a lot of money. I think it was €17. I will leave the link to all of the buyers or profiles, I don't know what you call them, on Amazon. I'll leave them all linked below if you do want to pick up any of these pieces yourself. But this is really handy to have. You can change the neck of it as well if you have like a deeper candle that you need to light. But I feel like this is going to last for ages. It's really good quality, works amazing, and like I said, the battery life has been really good. So that is the first thing that I got. Okay, so the next thing, I have been looking for this for quite a while, and I've just been looking at different brands and I never could decide on what one I wanted to go for, but this one stood out to me because it had really good reviews on Amazon, and it is a makeup brush cleaner. And I have the whole box here. I've just taken it out there. I've managed to keep this for this video. So basically you attach your makeup brushes to this electrical piece here and you fill this little tub up with some water and soap, whatever soap you want to use to clean your brushes, and it tells you how high you can fill it up. And basically you dip this in and you press that button and it spins around really quick and cleans your brushes and dries your brushes so fast. Normally I would just wash my makeup brushes in a sink with my hand and some soap, and I would literally have to leave them for like 2 days to dry. But this dries your brushes instantly. After you slowly take it out of the container, it spins it around really quick, dries it off, and you can use your brushes straight away. I really like as well how it has loads of different size kind of compartments to attach to the electrical thing to clean your brushes. So whether you have really small like eyeshadow brushes, you have blusher brushes or powder brushes, whatever you have, it will fit this. I will say I would like if there was a few more of like bigger ones, because I have some foundation brushes where the base is just a little bit too thick, like the Real Techniques, and some of them have not been able to fit, which I'm a little bit disappointed in. But the product itself is really good. It's been cleaning my brushes amazing. I will have a video, if you're not already watching it right now, of how it works. But I've been really happy with this. It was really inexpensive. I think it might have only been €17, €15. But I do have it linked below if you want to pick one up. I highly recommend. It saves so much time in comparison to how I used to wash my makeup brushes. So I absolutely love it. So for the next item, like I said with the candle lighter, I light a lot of candles in my room and sometimes I'm always scared that I might fall asleep with some still lit. I haven't done that, but I am very scared that I will. So I thought I would try out some fake candles, and I picked up these 3 LED ones. These came in a pack. I think these were €14, and they are remote controlled, which is really nice. I'm going to show you a clip of how they look. They look so realistic. They even feel like wax. It's really strange. So with these candles you also get a little remote control, like I said, and you can control how long you want them to stay on for, 4 hours, 8 hours, and how bright you want them, if you want them to look like a candle or a light so they can flicker or stay normal like a light. And they also have like a really nice wax finish, so they do look really realistic. They're slightly yellow, which I wasn't too keen on, but for being fake candles I think they still look really good, and you can control them at the bottom if you want them on or off. I will say though, my battery is already running out on them, which is a little bit disappointing, but also partly my fault because I have been leaving them on for longer than 8 hours a day. So probably actually the battery life is good, because I've had these for quite a while and I leave them on all through the night, almost like a night light. I know it's really embarrassing. But I love them. I love the whole vibe they give. They feel like an actual candle. They're nice and cozy. So I do have them linked below if you are looking for a good fake candle. They look very realistic with just a slight yellow tinge, which I wasn't too keen on. But I am still very happy with them, and the fact that I can control them from my bed and I don't have to get up to turn them off because I have the remote control is really nice. The next two items are Fitbit straps. I went through a phase during the first lockdown here in Ireland back in March where I went on walks quite a lot and I wanted to track how many steps I was getting a day. So my boyfriend gave me one of his old Fitbits, and his straps that he gave me were really manly and weren't pretty. So I went on to Amazon to look and see if I could find some nice ones, and they had so many to choose from, like literally so many, but I decided to go with these two and I'll explain why I chose these styles. So this one is a little bit more like if you're working out. It has like a rubber finish to it, really comfortable. It's kind of like a rose gold blush pink, so it's very pretty and nice and girly. But the next one was more for like a dressier look. It's a beige kind of grey leather, not real leather obviously, and it has a nice gold finish to it, so I thought it made it look a little bit more like a typical type of watch. Sounded weird in my head. A typical type of watch in comparison to a Fitbit, because sometimes I just think Fitbits or whatever type of even Apple Watch you have, I just rather the look of a classy like normal watch. So I wasn't too used to wearing these, but when I saw this strap I thought maybe it would be a little bit easier to style, and so I will leave these linked below if you like the look of them. This one is my favourite in comparison to the pink one, just because it's more of an everyday wear, and also really comfortable as well, fits really good. So yeah, they have loads to choose from on Amazon if you are looking for some stylish watch. The next kind of techie thing that I got is a new phone cover, and this is from the brand Burja. I see them all over my Instagram. They always are recommended to me. I don't know why, if my phone is listening to me. I talk about phone covers a lot. I have the Huawei P20 Pro, so it's really hard to get any phone cover for that here in Ireland. I have to get them all online, so when I looked up on Amazon they had so many to choose from, but I decided to go with this one. It's like a hard case. It's really pretty. It's just a black and white polka dot. I will say though, it doesn't really protect the front of my phone. It's more just for the look. It looks really nice, but I don't drop my phone that often, so I don't really need it for the protective look, just more for the style. This was, I think, €10, maybe €11 with postage, but I will leave it linked below. They have so many different phone cases to choose from, but if you are like me and you have the Huawei and you're struggling to find phone cases, Amazon have loads, and this is the one that I went for, and I'm definitely going to be picking up some more, but I just think this is very like my aesthetic at the minute. I think it's really pretty. The next two things I got are for my car, and one of them I couldn't actually physically take out of my car, so I filmed that clip in the car and I'll just play it now. So I have a Renault Capture and the coffee cup holders are not good in it, so I did need to get one online, and I found this one on Amazon. It just clips into the air vent of your car, and you can have it right beside your wheel or over on the passenger side. I kept it on the passenger side just so I don't spill boiling hot coffee on me in the morning while I'm driving to work, just in case. And it does also hold your phone if you need it for a sat nav, which is really handy. And this was really inexpensive and the quality is really good. Like I said, I'm not able to take it off. I don't know how. I'm scared I'm going to break it, but it's pretty secure there, so none of my coffees or teas have spilt, and I've been using it literally every single day going to work for the last like 5 months, and I'm obsessed. It's a nice black finish, so it matches the interior of my car, doesn't stand out too much, and really handy, like I said, that it has the phone holder on the front if you do need it for a sat nav or just somewhere to put your phone to keep it nice and clean. But yeah, I'm really happy with that, and I do have it linked below. The next car thing that I got is this really cute little air freshener here by the brand Max Benjamin. They are Irish. I will leave their website linked below. We sell these where I work as well, and I'm obsessed with all their scents. So my car smells like a fresh pomegranate, in case you're wondering. That is the scent that I've gone for. But these are their little car air fresheners here. I'll just get the camera to focus, and it's really cute. It looks like a little car wheel. I just think it's really pretty, and the air freshener that I go for has that white background. So on Amazon you can get the air fresheners themselves separate, but you need to buy the holder for it here. This is what it looks like without. So I'm going to do the classic YouTube focus thing. So this is what it's like without the air freshener, and it just clips into your air vent as well, and then you pop the air freshener in like this, click it in place, and you have a little car wheel. Smells really nice. So you put it on your air vent so that when you have cold or hot air on, it's going to make the car smell Gorgeous, nice and fresh, really inexpensive as well. Can't remember the price, but I do have them linked below. Loads of different scents to choose from, but my favorite is the white pomegranate, I think it's called, or fresh pomegranate, I can't remember, but I do have it linked below if you want to pick one up as well. One thing Amazon is like my favorite for is looking for really old movies that I would watch when I was younger, and I have managed to find quite a few, and you're probably all going to laugh at me, but the majority of these are actually Mary-Kate movies because they're my favorite. So the first one I got was To Grandma's House We Go because it's my favorite movie ever. It's a Christmas one and they're really cute in it and they're really small, so I got that one. The next one was Double Double Toil and Trouble. I got this for Halloween. Can't beat a good kind of kids movie around Halloween. I watched this loads in the lead up. Halloween was yesterday, so happy belated Halloween everyone. And then the next Halloween one I got was Casper. This is so good. Oh my god, I love this. I've watched this on repeat, and these were all really inexpensive as well, like €5 or €7. I just love a good classic movie that I used to watch. But the next one I got is also Ashley Mary-Kate, and it's a set of 4 of their movies. So it's Winning London, Passport to Paris, Holiday in the Sun and When in Rome, and I'm obsessed with them all, especially Passport to Paris and Holiday in the Sun. But me being silly, I didn't look to see if this DVD was compatible with European DVD players, and it's not, so I can't use it. And I will say the buyer that I got this on hadn't specified that in the description, so I was really disappointed, and it was only after I received it that they updated their information saying that it was only compatible for USA or Canada, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna have to send it back, or I might just keep it and try figure something out. I might format my DVD player to make it work. But yeah, I was really disappointed that that wasn't in the description when I was buying this DVD. But all of these ones work perfectly, so I'll leave them all linked below. Or if you live in America or Canada and you want to pick these up, like, I'm obsessed. I wish I could watch it. Like, it's so sad knowing I have it and I can't watch any of these DVDs. Let me know if you're an Ashley and Mary-Kate fan below. Do you love their movies as much as I do? They're so cheesy and probably not even good, but I'm obsessed. Okay guys, and that was it for today's video. That was all my Amazon haul finds. Really random video and really random pieces. None of it really matches together in comparison to my fashion hauls that I do. So I hope you found this helpful. You might have found some little pieces that you want to pick up on Amazon as well. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you would buy out of this whole haul, or would you buy any of it at all? I don't know, but leave me a comment below. Like I said at the start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. And like always guys, I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye guys!